Yo gang, what's happening? Is your boy Busy back with another video. And today, even though I said that I wasn't going to do any trading video, but today I really want to show you guys how I've improved on my trading strategy over the last week or two. And I'm going to show you guys a nice little 5-minute trading strategy. And it's not going to be any over trading here. It's going to be one trade. We're going to look at the markets. We're going to, make sure that we're right on the money. And then we're going to dive in and we'll see what the results will be. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and recommend this video to your friends. It's going to really help me on the algorithm. YouTube loves this stuff. Also, don't forget to leave a comment. It definitely helps too. And if you're looking for the best trading info, join the Telegram channel. You can see my trades live. And if you also want to go in with me, it's a choice of yours. Links will be in the description. Go join and see you on the other side. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So gang, let's get right into the charts. And as you can see today, I'm switching it up. This probably be my first session back. I'm gonna be trading Euro USD. Just look for that. The markets are not open yet. No, it is open. My bad. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna start. I'm gonna be doing 5-minute. We're gonna do a 5-minute time frame. I'm gonna show you how I usually set it up, and so usually I'll start by taking a look. So for some reason, you can see something is really wrong with this chart right now, or I have no idea what's happening. So I'm going to refresh the page real quick and see if that fixes the situation. But no, it doesn't fix the situation. Let me see if this is the same everywhere. No, it's not the same everywhere. The OTC pairs are different. Okay, I think just because of how weird that looks, I'm just going to walk away from Euro USD. So let's look for a nice high payout. That's not OTC at the moment, barely. So we can see this go up to, let's see, fix. So that must be a real drop right there. So we'll stick with it. We're in an M5 time frame as well. Our candles are on 5 minutes. So first thing is we want to start looking as far as an hour. So now we can see a lot better. See how the market has been moving generally. I'm gonna add my stochastic oscillator right there at the bottom. My just gonna add moving average and it hitting. You'll know this at this point. So I'm gonna just save it. I'm just gonna be using this too. Mostly what I'm going to be doing with this price is I want to see what levels the price has been in. And as you can see, we can see a couple of them. Let me remove this moving average so you can see better. So right here, you can see price change a little bit downwards here as well. Same thing. Just going to make this a little smaller. Get a little bit of an upward trend, and then we see the market kind of stay stagnant here where the price doesn't move, and then we see the price just dumps all the way down. So this is our 1 hour time frame. Let's switch it and see if that's the same when we go to our 15 minutes. Huge drop off, but now we can see the market is taking a turn, pulling upwards. So we're gonna go a little bit to 10 minutes, and we can see the same tendency. Prices moving up at this point. Strength of the candles look good. We're expecting that price to continue to push up, it seems. So I'm going to go to my M5. Now here you can see a little bit more. You can see the price here creating a new support right there. Price doesn't even touch here before it bounces off. And if we're gonna draw a resistance. I can't even go all the way back. You see, that's where we draw the levels on our 1 hour. And we're gonna say, let's say here, let's put a price alert right there. So it's way high. So right now we're expecting the next candle to be a little bit. So I'm a little risky with the trade today because it's gonna be only one. Can't go more than 3K. So I think we're gonna wait for this candle to be over and we're gonna enter into a call. Since we're expecting the price to go as high as 109,113, and now we're still a little bit below. So I'm looking to enter into a call as well because I'm seeing this market is going to continue to be very bullish. You can see the candle start up here. Now we're seeing that price being pushed down a little, but do not get startled by that at all. I think that this might be a good entry point for us as well. So we might just enter right now. So I'm entering a little bit earlier than I want to. I want to wait for the candle, but I can see that price being pushed down a little bit, and I'm expecting the buyers to recover. So it really feels like a good point to enter in my mind. So not in my mind, just based on where the price has been before. So right now we're still expecting a bullish candle off of this. We might see the price pull down a little bit, but I think because we haven't touched resistance yet, this should be easy. You see how strong the trend is being, and we're gonna try to just follow that trend upwards and try to take some profit on that for sure. A little bit out of the money, but it's not a big deal. I might look at other time frames to see. I think we're good. I think before we're gonna have that price pushed up real nice into our entry point. Just gonna pull up. Also, some things while we're waiting for this. Also, some very important things to talk about is I really want to thank you guys for the support that I've seen in the channel over the last couple of, especially last week, because we've been doing a lot of new things, and I've been working on trying to deliver some good content to you guys, and seeing that you guys are watching it, the video allows YouTube to recommend it better, and I'm getting like a lot more traction on some of my videos, which is really good, which is like, it makes me feel like I'm doing the right thing, or at least I'm moving in the right direction. And so thank you guys once again. It's not enough to just thank you guys, but on the other hand, also because of that, I've gotten a lot of questions, especially with new people who are coming into the channel, about the live videos. And I've said it multiple times, it's not a real live video, it's just a compilation of my trading of over the years, of my videos, my losses, my wins, everything is on there, and it's just like a way for you guys to learn. There's nothing about that video where I say like, hey, this is life, this is me making money life. It's just that you can even hear me in the video say, in this video, this is what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm sorry if it's a little bit misleading. I will add a disclaimer into the pinned comment on the video, so nobody feels like I'm trying to like say or do something or try to like rob them of something, because I think a lot of people, especially people who are new, I've gotten a lot of comments where it's like, oh, you're a fake trader because you're making a live video that isn't live. But I think I've explained this before, but you can't, I feel like I'm saying it too much, so I'm definitely gonna add the disclaimer right in the pinned comment in the chat. So that's it on all of this. Let's get back into our trade. It's looking a lot better. We are about, how many points over? I want to say 20. not up to 20 yet, but about a couple of points. We're a couple of points up right now. I think we're in good hands. We're about a minute away. Gonna open trades real quick so you guys can see that as well. See if we're in the money and out the money. It's kind of fluctuating up and down right now. So we're 50 seconds out. We're a little bit above the money to start. So at the beginning, you can see the price move all the way here. But we now we get that 37 seconds left. Price still being pushed down a little bit. You see the price reaching as low as, what's this right here? Let me try to find it. 1.8981. But still, just follow that upward trend and we get rewarded for it real quick. So you can see it's not mad indicators, nothing, just a quick little analysis of the market, and we're able to take a little profit from that. And it's for a longer time frame. As I said, I'm switching it up. I want to do longer time frames because I feel a lot more comfortable that my trades will do better if I'm in the market a little bit longer than my 1 minute trade. So, but also it comes with a little bit of a trade-off, means I can't do multiple trades or make a video that's going to be 50 minutes long because I want to do 10 trades at 5 minutes each, and I don't want to do like the whole skipping thing where it feels like I'm manipulating the trade. So that's the trade for today. Quick little one, 5 minute trading. The strategy could use a lot more work, but as I say, your strategy changes in the moment while you're trading. So you have like a strategy that you use, and then you're looking for how you can make that better, because it's all about finding the right conditions in the market. So thank you guys for joining me for another quick little busy trade video. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.